Marhaba. My name is Saham Al-Daboubi. I am the Technical Service Manager for Middle East. I'm responsible for all the service activities, installation, commissioning, service visits, trainings for all our machines. And I'm also responsible for the spare parts business. As you know, that the food processing is a main industry at Rieckermann, and one of their sections is the bakery. So this is a project is actually between our both offices in Middle East and also with cooperation with Vietnam office. They sell a machine which can produce croissant, and the customer has actually a service contract to sell their product as soon as possible. We tried to approach our partners from Europe to start the installation once the machine was there, but unfortunately it was the bad timing because it was Christmas time. So there was nobody available to do that from Europe. But of course, we have in the Middle East, we have the knowledge to do that. We have also the know-how, how to do it. So Vietnam team approached us to work together and to help the customer to fulfill his contract. So I fly by myself to Vietnam. We install the machine, we make the commissioning, we train the people there, and it was perfect. Customer liked it. We were on time, which was more important to the customer to do that. We even helped them with the process of the product itself. And it's good to see how the cooperation between the offices, because we are regionals, you know, in Rieckermann. So that's a good thing when you have the know-how from one office and use it to the other office. Eventually, we were able to commission the machine, and customers now is running like 4 or 5 months by themselves. And the main thing, they are looking for the second machine, maybe also bigger size than the one which we installed. And they insist, they want us, Rieckermann, to do also again the installation and the commissioning, and that gives you an idea how much we are capable on the service side. Rieckermann is really special because we have the technology, we have the know-how, we have the experts, not only to service and install, but we also know now the process, how to make the product. So that gives an added value to all our customers. So if you are in Vietnam and you want to have a very nice croissant, you can always go to the croissant that we made.